Welcome to this video. I'm going to show an RPA software tools that has been made with several improvements. Let's go through the improvements. So first the improvements is the homepage. There's several changes, UI changes made. So the first one, take a look. This is our flat buttons and this recent files listings. You can access the files that you have accessed before. And then let's give it a try and create a new project solutions. So this is how you can navigate the buttons to return to the home page. And the second improvements that I'm going to demonstrate is the drag and drop features. So basically I just going to demonstrate the simple drag and drop features. You just have to drag and drop any of the commands to their working canvas. So there's no limitations. So all you have to do is just drag and drop whatever that you need into this working canvas. So this is the second features, and I'm going to go to the third features, the third improvements, which is the smart features. I have to go back to the home page to access these files to demonstrate the smart features. So smart features, there are two parts, and part one is, let's start with this open workbook. So open workbook, as you can see, there are two open workbook commands. There are the Excel command scopes and associated with very important details like the instance names. So let's try to open up the first open workbook. As you can see, let's give it a wait, and you can see this. For the first open workbook, its instance name is Excel. Of course you can make a change, but I'm going to demonstrate further with this open workbook is Excel. So let's take a look at the second open workbook. The name should be Excel 2. So as you can see how smart features part 1 works. So under this open workbook, as we can notice, the Excel instance is Excel 2, and even here is Excel 2. So smart features part 1 is, it works like this. When you drag and drop this remove worksheets command items into the first open workbook Excel scope, so here does not update yet, because this smart features part 1, it doesn't support auto update, but it support auto detect. I have to open up the remove worksheets and it's automatically update the instance to Excel as prior to this open workbook command scopes. But we have to ensure we click to save these commands, so the changes are saved. So we are done with the smart features part 1, and the smart features part 2 is very simple. Any of the commands you just need to access by right clicking, open up this context menu and go for the first option, open smart viewer. And what exactly inside is a page that you can navigate the open workbook commands, and with more details on what is the workbook available in reality, and the worksheets as well with the numbers. But let's just show you some of the few things. So I click config workbook, and it loads the worksheets that actually available in this config file. Let's give it a try. Constants. So these are the data that contains inside this Excel config. So yep, this is just a still in the initial stage of development for the smart viewer, and I close it. I proceed to the next one. The fourth improvement, that is I made several additions of Excel commands, that is to extend the automation capabilities, specifically focusing on this Excel commands. So I basically add worksheet, move copy worksheets, remove worksheets, rename worksheets, and as you can see, I have those command items been drop over here. So here's the add worksheets, remove worksheets, and whatever we have is rename worksheets. So let me enable so I can see it more clearly. And I just open up. I'm not going to run this demo, but I'm going to show you what are these command items we can configure. That is, you can select available worksheets within this workbook. So it even has loads a drop down contains whatever sheets you have. So this one is redundant because this is the previous configuration that we did not erase. But the thing is, it will load the relevant worksheets that belongs to the instance. So this is the remove worksheets. You can remove by their names or by the positions. So like give it a try. So yeah, this is the instance. And yeah, just go for the rename worksheets. I go for one more. I think that's enough for me to describe, because this Excel commands additions, I'm going to still proceed to add it more. And yep, basically it's just like that. Select the target worksheets that you want to rename, and then this is the new name that you're going to provide, and then as well as this the worksheet that you want to rename. So all right, you have to click OK to save the changes. So I hope you enjoyed this video. By end this video, I hope that this short video able to demonstrate at least something useful or meaningful. But the objective is to understand RPA we can develop using some of the open source alternatives other than of other leading RPA tools. All right. So thank you.